Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to change the engine air filter in your Subaru Legacy or Subaru OutBack 2015 or more. So I got this filter from Amazon. This is a Spectre Essentials filter. I'm gonna install it in my Subaru now, and I'm gonna show you the filter first and how to install it. So let's start. So this is a filter. It has a red color. It's really well made. It is light and it has many plies here. So I'm gonna show you now how to remove the old filter. So this is the housing of the old filter. It has two latches on the top. You need to remove the latches, and then you need to push it up and then push it back like this. And this is the old filter. We're gonna remove it. And be careful of the direction of the filter. So it was like this, so the new filter should be installed like this. And notice how dirty it is. So now I'm gonna install the new filter. It simply goes in like this, just slide it in. Okay, so now the filter is installed. And look how tight it is, and make sure to install it tightly in its place. And now we need to put the housing back on. So make sure that it goes in like this, and then put back the latches. And here's the filter installed. So when you change the air filter of the engine, it's better to put the maintenance reminder on your Subaru car. So to do this, do the following. On your multi-purpose screen, press the info button, and then go to maintenance. And this is the air filter. Press on it. So let's change the date and put it 1 year. So we are months, day, year. So we are in November 05 and 2024, so 24. So this way, after a year, you'll get a reminder to change the engine air filter. And you see here the distance and remaining. You need also to change it because remaining is 0. So go into edit here. So here I like to change my engine air filter each 10,000 kilometers. So press on OK after you finish, and then OK again. And you notice that the warning is not here anymore. So if you want to check out this filter, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make the purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will help my channel. I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.